sit there. They're so soft. Hi guys, so the animal control said that they won't take them and just let nature run its course. I said no. So here he is. We're going to take him to a bird sanctuary.
He's in there, I promised to cover them all up.
Yeah, he's in there somewhere. No, no. He's going to sleep.
Oh. You see him? Alright, Jelly, we'll take care of you.
Alright, let's go take Jelly. We decided to get McDonald's and have it with Jelly. Jelly's not eating it though.
I can drink.
We're getting Starbucks, and he's being super noisy. Stubborn just like the kids. Oh, there he goes. There he is.